going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another video for you. Today we're looking at a bicycle mount from Quad Lock. It's the Out Front Mount Pro model, and I'm really excited to get this on my bicycle. I already have a Quad Lock on my motorcycle, so I figured why not pick this up, check it out. It has an optional accessory GoPro / light mount that mounts on the bottom, so I'm really excited to get that on. I figure that'd be kind of cool, have a cool angle, have my cell phone mount all in one package. And normally when I record my rides, I just do time lapses because I don't really do much with the footage, but the time lapses look pretty cool, and having the convenience of the quad mount on my bike is going to be pretty nice. So let's get this thing out of the box. We have the arm for the Quad Lock mount, made of aluminum, very nice. Got an insert for the handlebar here. These are the holes we're going to mount the GoPro attachment to, or light, whatever you prefer. We have the Quad Lock itself, pretty cool. I got a red one to match the bike, so we'll be popping this off in a few. Got our Allen key, of course. Always get one of those with the Quad Lock kits. And it looks like we have another insert here. There we go. So if you have a different size handlebar, they got you covered. Real quick, I'm going to swap out this blue tab with the red one. I'll show you guys how to do that. You simply take your Allen key, take the top off, then back here we have this spring. I'm going to use a pick to kind of pry at the bottom. Oh, there it goes. And then the top, or the tab itself, just pops out like that. Got our new tab. Pop that in. Pop it in. Nice. Then we'll replace the top. And we're good to go. Next up we have the camera and light adapter. I'm going to pop that on the arm. So we got your adapter here. It's made out of plastic. Now camera focus, let's go. Ah, there we go. It's made out of plastic, nothing too crazy. Comes with a couple fasteners, so let's open these up. Got my two fasteners here ready to go. They're 2.5mm. Got my GoPro mount lined up with the arm, and we'll just pop those fasteners in real quick. Now that we have our GoPro mount attached, we are ready to put the Quad Lock onto the arm. I'm going to set it just straightforward for now, and then we'll see if we have to make any adjustments. Fasten that down with your Allen key. Alright, let's go put it on the bicycle. Our first step is putting on the sleeve for the handlebar. Grab your Quad Lock, Allen key, and fastener. Pop that on. See where you want to put that. I've got it set kind of loose for now. I'm going to go grab my phone and make sure everything fits correctly. Alright, this is a pretty good fit. Fits vertically, horizontally. I'm happy with it, so I'm going to tighten it up. So I grabbed my GoPro, right? Put it right here. As you can see, I've got all my cables kind of in the way, so I think if you have like a drifter setup, you're probably not going to run into this issue, but my bike's a hybrid, so all of my cables are kind of just every which way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a GoPro joint and add it to give me a little bit of clearance, and we'll see how the fit is. Alright, so I have my longer GoPro joint on here. Let's pop that on. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video for today. Nothing too complicated, nothing I'm sure you guys couldn't figure out on your own. I thought it was kind of cool, and I'm already into the Quad Lock products as is, so I figured, you know what, let's give it a shot. I've actually had this hanging out in my basement for like a year. I finally put it on because I'm trying to get some bicycle rides in. I would add some GoPro footage, but I actually Actually just drowned my GoPro over the weekend. It somehow got some water in it and it is dead. It is it's done, and I gotta get a new one. So maybe I'll do like a follow-up once I get the new GoPro. But overall, pretty cool. I'm not too upset about having to add the GoPro joint. It is what it is. They're handy to have. If you have a GoPro, you probably have a pile of these at this point. So just something to keep in mind if you're putting this on like a hybrid bike or like a mountain bike. But I'm really excited. It's going to be cool to have my phone up top for when I'm riding, you know, recording my rides, you know, easy to access my music and just pop the phone on and off. It actually looks pretty cool too. I don't know about having it in the direct sunlight, but my other cell phone mount was the same way and I never had any problems with overheating, so I don't think it'll be that big of a deal, especially if the screen is off. But that is gonna do it, guys. If you liked the video, throw me a like. If you have any questions, sound off in the comments section, and if you like my content, hit on that subscribe button. But that is going to do it for me today. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.